So this week started out not great. We had the pound moving against me, and I actually took a trade. Actually, I think that was last week, but then this week I took another trade right around here. Seeing some of this rejection, I was a little bit early, but the pound actually came down pretty nicely. We haven't closed out this trade, but we ended the week up in profit pretty good. The first entry is still slightly negative, but the second entry is actually really good in profit. If I actually just use this tool here, we are roughly about 165 pips in profit here on the move here. So hopefully next week we can see a little bit more downside on the pound. Hey friends, family, traders, and everyone else who watches my YouTube videos, welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm actually headed down to Birmingham to meet up with some of my college friends. It should be a lot of fun. This week in terms of trading started out a little bit rough, but it ended out pretty profitable, which is a good sign. It's always a nice feeling to end the week in a profit. So I closed out some of my trades. I have a few still left on, but now I'm gonna pack up my stuff and I'm gonna head down to Birmingham, meet up with some friends, and hopefully have a little fun. And I'm gonna take the camera with me so you guys can hopefully come along for the ride. So let's go see what we can find. By the way, if you want to see more vlog content and you want to watch me trade and watch kind of things happening in my life behind the scenes, do me a favor right now down below, click the like button. That will let myself and my team know that you want to see more content just like this, and we'll make sure to get it out to you as soon as possible. So let's go. Okay, so I am in the car, just driving, and I've got like 100 more miles on this road. So as you guys may or may not know, I'm a trader, but I also run a business. I run a small media company. We do some work for brokerages. We offer an online trading community for people who are interested in that. By the way, there's information in the description. But we had a really, really cool week because on Friday, we actually did a little bit of a field trip where we went down into Atlanta and we went and basically got Krispy Kreme donuts and we handed them out.
Brent got his donuts. He's off work.
Handed them out to a lot of essential workers. During all this quarantine stuff, it's been really hard for a lot of people, and we just wanted to spread some positivity.
Alright, so welcome to this, y'all.
And it made us all feel really good. It was one of the coolest things I would say that I've done in my career so far. It's really, really cool to kind of give back. It kind of brought me back to when I used to work a desk job. There was a time where I was at that job and I was just so unhappy, right? I just was not passionate about what I did. And what I realized at a certain point was, what is it worth? Is it worth the money? Because I was getting paid a good salary. But at a certain point, I just decided, man, at the end of the day, what do we all want? All of us want to be happy, right? Everybody wants to be happy. And I realized that that job was not making me happy. And I was spending most of my time working a job that was making me unhappy just so I could have money. At the end of the day, money just is not what's going to make you happy. What's going to make you happy is doing something that you really, really love. I don't think I'm going to say anything. I'm just going to say, Alex, what's up?
What's up?
Cody,
hey guys.
What's good? It's been a full year since I've seen these guys.
A full year.
Dude, we're going to Firehouse, bro. This was the ritual.
Once again.
This was the ritual, bro. Firehouse once a week.
Firehouse once a week turned into Firehouse once a year.
Alright, so I just got to this guy's house. He's got one phone broken, no case. Two phones broken, no case. Alex, can I see your phone really quick? Can I see your phone? Whip it out. No case. The trend is your friend.
Yeah!
Alright, we're off to film some skits.
Yes, sir.
With the boys. Try this at home.
Round one. Fight.
Come on, man, get him. Oh, dude. Dude. Oh, that one stood its ground. Just run into that one, Alex.
This guy's the mouth.
Oh, he's
Round
not,
two. Fight.
he's not messing around, bro.
Oh shit.
Oh,
Flawless victory.
let him cross and
bet another dollar.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, what's up, guys? What's up?
Morning.
Good morning.
Profits,
Yep.
margins, counting. Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Get back to work. Yep. Margins.
Hey man, how was your weekend?
I'm gonna
Dude, it's such a nice day out, man.
Yeah, dude, the only thing is, man, my chest has been hurting me. I've been a little raspiness in the throat. Dude, what?
Bro, whoa, bro, stay back,
Bro,
bro, whoa.
Dude, this pandemic thing is getting serious. I'm trying to stay healthy, keep the hand sanitizer flowing. You have any other ideas? How do we stay safe?
Yeah, man, you just gotta get a mask, buy it from your local
Dude,
Walmart.
is that a hole in your mask?
Yeah, it's so I can breathe.
Dude, I feel like something can still get in your mouth.
Dude, no, I think it still protects against the COVID.
I don't think so.
No,
I don't think so.
I'm gonna miss you guys.
Oh.
There we go.
At the end of the day, money just is not what's going to make you happy. What's going to make you happy is doing something that you really, really love. You guys hopefully know, I think this is like video number 470,000 on the channel. Hopefully you know by now, I mean, this is my passion. I absolutely love trading. I love talking about trading and investing, working with traders, offering services to traders. That's just it's been a passion of mine, and I'm really, really happy that we get to do what we do. But I want to say that if you're out there and you really dislike your job, you really just don't find happiness, you don't find fulfillment in it, go look at other options. There's plenty of other options. There's plenty of things to do in the world. Before I started this company, I actually wanted to be a money manager. By the way, sorry for the camera if it's shaky. I know I'm driving, so it's probably bouncing a little bit. But before I ran this business and traded my own money, I really wanted to be a money manager at like a hedge fund or a bank or something. I really wanted to be a trader on a trading floor, and that probably would have been my alternative route if I had not, started the company and continued to build my trading accounts. A lot of times people get into this concept of, I'm just going to trade my money and they've only got like 10 grand, they're going to become a millionaire off of it. And I think that reality is very tough. If you want to do this for a living, you really do need a lot of capital, and there are multiple ways to get that capital. You can fund it through other sources of income. You can go get a job at a bank or a hedge fund or some prop trading group and trade money for them. That's the other way. And you can also get investments from some of the different funding programs that are out there. But if you're going to be a trader, you need capital. We are money managers, and if you don't have money, how are you going to do it for a living, right? But there's all different sources, there's all different ways out there. Just ask yourself, if you're not happy with what you do, find something that does make you happy and do it, because at the end of the day, life is so short, time flies, and it's just really, really important that you do something that you're happy to say you did at the end of your life. It may sound grim, but I try and live life thinking, this sounds very philosophical, but I try and live life with regret in mind, meaning I don't want to have any regrets. If I do something that makes me feel regretful, I try not to do it anymore, because regret is such a painful thing. I think for me, my biggest fear in life is actually regret. My biggest fear is regretting not doing something, or not taking a risk, or not going for something in my life. So here I am. I'm headed down to Birmingham to meet up with some friends, and we'll see how it goes. And I'll see you guys when we get there.